Hey, this is Roseanne. Have you seen the new features in Cricut Design Space? The first feature makes curving text way easier. All you have to do is enter your text. Once your text is entered, here's the new curve tool up at the top. Just click on the curve tool, and then you set your diameter, and it curves down or it curves up. Super easy to use. The second new feature is the ability to share on Facebook or Pinterest. So when you save your project, first of all, you need to make sure that you don't have any copyrighted images. It has to be your own design. You have to add a photo. So if I add a photo of the project that I made with this, find it. Add that. Make sure that it's visible to others. Make sure that the button is pushed there. And then you just have to give your project a description and click Save. Once you click Save, this box pops up and you can either share to Facebook or Pinterest. I hope you enjoy these new features of Design Space. I know I will.